Day 2 of Advent, and we got James Hetfield yesterday with a bashed in head, and Jesus. If you've not seen that video, go back and watch it. Day 2. They're in number order. They don't open very well. They are cheap. Just how cheap? Watch yesterday's video. Let's open up this, which again is ripping like rubbish, and see who we get. At least he's complete this time. We have Axl Rose.
Oh my God!
Day 2, Axl Rose. Possibly even Jack Sparrow. If it didn't say rock and metal, who knows? Jesus, because we need the real meaning of Christmas. Day 2, Jesus. Where's it even over from? The bottom. This is considerably better quality than the box of the other one, as I said yesterday. Oh, this one's cute. Jesus has a little Peace.